Hey everybody, Ray from Mechaniholics here, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2014 Silverado. As you can see, it's kind of tight here in the garage. But I'll be walking through step by step what you need to do, what I use to do it. So let's get started. Alright, so now that we're underneath the truck, we're going to go to this bolt right here to drain the oil pan. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to use a dedicated 15mm wrench. Stick it right up in here. There we go. Hopefully you don't do it as messy as I did, but it just kind of comes all at once. Alright, so now that it's done draining, let's go ahead and wipe off our bolt. Stick it back in there. Just make sure not to drop it in your drip pan. Alright, so now we're going to take off this oil filter. Keep in mind there probably will be a little oil that comes out with it. I'm just going to do my hand. There we go. Okay. There's the oil. Let that drain out. You can get a tool to use that wraps around it, but hello. Alright, so for oil today, what I'm going to be using is Mobil 1 Extended Performance Advanced Full Synthetic. It is 0W20. This truck calls for 8.5 quarts, and I've got 10 here. Bought in Walmart. One of these was like $28. Not too bad. For the oil filter, I'm going to be using this K&N. The part number on this is HP2011, if I can get it to focus. There you go, HP2011. Alright, so we've got our K&N filter here. Let's go ahead and get started and throw this in. Alright, so now that we're ready to go, oil filter's in, drain plugs back in. Let's go ahead and add our oil. And it's 8.5 quarts, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this whole thing in there. And then on the next one we'll start monitoring. Alright, now that we're done with the oil change, let's go ahead and look at the dipstick and make sure that we've got the right amount in there. Alright, so we're all done with our oil change. And I'll top in the truck and reset that oil percentage. Alright, so to get your oil life back to 100%, literally just push your gas pedal really quickly a few times and it'll reset to 100% with the car in the on position. So not turned on, not the motor not started, but just the the key and accessory. And that is all. As always, thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to drop a like and drop a subscription as well so we can see it for future videos like this one right here. When this Camaro gets done, it's a heads cam TH400 Camaro. We'll be out there drag racing with it. It'll be good stuff, so stay tuned.